How to start a conversation. When chatting to someone you don't know very well, small talk is a terrific method to ease the conversation. You can develop new friendships and relationships and advance your career by being able to strike up a conversation. 1. Be affable in your body language. The greatest way to make someone feel at ease is to adopt an open stance and move your body in their direction without being overly aggressive. Just look them in the eye, don't cross your arms, and turn your shoulders in their direction. This will give the impression that you are paying close attention to him and are not just passingly interested in what he has to say. Keep the appropriate distance from the person. 2. Send out a cordial greeting. Simply say hello and address the person by name if you are seeing someone you already know. Hi, Jen. It's good to see you. This communicates your eagerness to speak to them in an easy and direct manner. Introduce yourself if you don't already know the individual so that you can feel more assured and in charge of the conversation. Simply say, "Hello, my name is Marla. What's yours?" When someone introduces themselves to you, repeating their name will make them feel more special. 3. Keep your tone upbeat and pleasant. Exchanges of energy take place during conversations just as much as exchanges of knowledge. Keep the conversation light, enjoyable, and positive to make great small talk. Even if all you talk about is your favorite cereal brands, the other person will want to keep talking to you if you're positive, ready to grin at any time, and laughing at jokes that aren't all that amusing. 4. Begin with a modest compliment. A simple, "I love your shoes. Where did you get them?" might start a lively discussion on shoe purchasing. The person will feel more valued before you start talking about other topics, even if the compliment has no further effect. This earlier maneuver can also be used to make a real introduction. 5. Find points of agreement. It's not necessary for you and the other individual to share a passion for riding horses to be on common ground. The fact that you both experienced a lot of severe weather that week could be the only explanation. Common ground can be anything that the individual can relate to and that creates a connection, no matter how flimsy. 8. Additionally, keep in mind that talking about the small stuff can lead you to talking about the issues that are important to you, even if you don't want to. 6. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Once you've found some common ground, you can use it to go into greater detail and say something more intimate. You shouldn't reveal anything so intimate that it makes the other person uncomfortable, such as, "I've actually been in love with Professor Hoffer for the last 5 years." But you can gradually open up a little more about yourself. 7. Engage your opponent. It's time to engage the other person and start a conversation by asking her to share some information about herself now that you've found some common ground and given something about yourself. Asking about the person's health, religion, or political views would be too personal. Ask open-ended inquiries about the person's interests, employment, or surroundings while keeping it light and entertaining. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.